Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we'll be talking about Ethereum seasonality. Let's get right into the video. What I mean by Ethereum seasonality is every midterm year, which is 2022, 2026, and 2018, Ethereum found a low around June and then rallied into July and August. Starting from 2018, you can see here Ethereum found a low in June, rallied up into July, and then went down in August, September, October till the end of the year. Same thing you can see in 2022. It found a low in June, rallied into July, mid-August, and then went down to the end of the year. Same thing this time around. You can see Ethereum found a low in June, rallied into July, August, and then probably you will see it go down to the end of the year. Now what's interesting is it always finds a high around the bull market support band in July, August time frame. This time it's around the bull market support band. Last July, August, it was also around the bull market support band, and it was almost at the same price. Last cycle it was a bit higher than now, but you can see here in August, basically the second week of August, it started going down, which we are in right now. The first week of August and then the second week, you can potentially see Ethereum break down from here. Now, last cycle, the low that it had by the end of the year was a higher low. In 2018, it was a low. It was a much lower low than August, like 80% down. This time around, I'm expecting it to sweep this level right here, the low from 2025, April of 2025. And why I'm expecting that is, if you see here, you found a low in 2018, structurally, which was around $80. You found a higher low at like $118, and then you swept that low later on, before you started your bull run. Same thing here, you found a low here at $800, which is like 10x move. Then you found another low at $1,300, $1,400, and I'm expecting Ethereum to sweep that low to the end of the year. I think that will be a good buying opportunity for Ethereum. I think going into the next few months, Ethereum should have a correction. It should go down to the end of the year, and that will be a good accumulation zone starting probably like October, November, December would be a good buying zone for Ethereum. Another reason I expected to sweep that low from April 2025 is we compared Ethereum to Tesla before, and if you look at Tesla last cycle, before it went into a parabolic move, it swept its prior low as well, which was its micro higher low from the capitulation bottom. You have a micro higher low and then you sweep that low later on. So maybe we see something similar in Ethereum as well. Here, you have your capitulation low, you have your micro higher low, and then you sweep that low later on in the cycle. But there is one indicator that suggests that we might have bottomed already, and then Ethereum might just go down to a higher low, not sweep this low, maybe a higher low than this. The indicator I'm talking about is the RSI. If you look at the monthly RSI for Ethereum, every time that it hit this trend line, that has corresponded to Ethereum having its market cycle bottom. Let's look at this. Let's look at 2018 when it hit that trend line. That was Ethereum bottom. In 2022 when it hit that trend line here, that was Ethereum bottom. And now this cycle it has already hit the trend line, which could suggest that the bottom might be in for Ethereum. But you should still expect some weakness going into August and September. I mean, historically, if you look at the monthly charts, prior midterm years, like 2022, August was red, September was red. If you look at 2018, August was red, September was red, October was red, November was red. So basically, towards the end of the midterm year, it's historically been weak for Ethereum. So even if you don't see Ethereum go below these prices, I think you will still see it come down by the end of the year, probably like October, November, December timeframe, which should be a good buying opportunity. I mean, the only thing you really don't want is Ethereum to drop below this, the 2022 low. That would be the bearish case. Other than that, if Ethereum sweeps this low, holds above 1100, maybe like this low right here, holds above this low over here, that should be a good time to buy Ethereum long term. Again, none of this is financial advice. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you do, like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.